Tambok!
Meron akong ikukwento sa inyo, Pards. Alam nyo ba yung vlog ni Juni? Yung kay Long Bam? Kita nyo yan, talo kami, di ba? Sino nagbabantay? Ako, Pards. Ako yung nagbabantay doon kay Long Bam. Ginagawa akong crosser ni Long Bam. Kaya, gumawa ako ng isang secret training. Isa sa mga tips para mas gumaling ka pa. Una, titigan nyo ang iyong kalaban with feelings habang dribble. Kita nyo. Ganyan, salutot. Pangalawa, titigan mo ang iyong kalaban at mag-stop ka sa kanya habang nagko-crossover. Ganyan. Ganyang pumorma. Ganyan. At syempre, ang pangatlo, para mas malakas ka pa, ang gagawin mo ay lupitan ang depensa. Direct. Pumunta na tayo sa totoong practice game. Venga!
May video pala kailangan.
Grabe naman. Ahit. Lang. Pucha ka. Sumot, diba?
Boy, ngaya tayo. Nilang bang. Next 3 daw.
Kita-kits tayo doon. Kita-kits.
Alright, here we go. Again, this is the start of another exhibition game versus the Long Bomb Squad. Baka umulan ng tres ngayon dito, ladies and gentlemen, i-expect natin yun.
Laban namin si Long Bomb. Makakita ngayon siya ng lock-in. Lock-in ka ngayon.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Long Bomb Squad. Number 12, Lateral Bomay. Number 15, Matayos. And number 79, Chris Lagudas. The head coach of SPS Piñan is Coach D. 30 points to win in this.
Yan ang matchup natin.
And now Coach Seal already setting up a play. Narinig ko triple pump daw yung kanilang play. Basketball in Star Magic All-Star Game. Asya na ba? Mr. Longbam, nag-practice lang. But Chris with the shot. Another wide open shot. Triple bomb.
Wag!
Pumipiyok na ako. First shot pa lang yun. As Matayos with the reverse. Si Coach Yo, nagagalit na dito. And right now, Chris Lagudas had all the time in the world now. Triple. Las Piñas beyond. Now up by 5.
Tama!
Matayos will drive. Good defense. As good 5. As Long Bomb. In and out. Para sa kinakapapa lang ni Long Bomb yung tira niya ngayon. That's another wide open in. Over again for Long Bomb. Again, just want to remind everyone, may isang liga kung saan nag 100 points plus si Mr. Long Bomb. Just want to remind everyone, beating Will Chamberlain. And Coach Harry. Good shot. Oh, and we have a timeout. Galit na po si Coach Yo. Tingnan natin kung ano kaya magiging play nila dito. Coach Yo, ano tingin mo kailangan nilang improve dito in this ball game? Ang hirap maging courtside reporter pag kayo yung coach. Hindi pa naman ako i-report doon. Bomb enjoying a 1-point lead. Matayos, guarded by the enforcer. Chris Lagunas, good pass to Matayos. Ba't masyadong malakas ka lang?
Balik! Depensa! Okay po! Nangyari, bossing. Wala, hindi labas ako eh. Ito ba, ito? Ba't mo hindi labas? Nanginit ko, pre, oh. Upo ka muna, upo ka muna.
Saan kayo makain ni February?
Siyempre, yung isa sa mga nanginit ko, oh. Nakita mo yun, kumain.
Classic summer lang. Pero paano naman natin? Ayan na nga. So, nakuha na ni Hamzat ang gusto ng ating race. Sa classic summer race. Grabe ang intense ng game na yun. Ibang klase. Pero paano na natin, ladies and gentlemen? And he does. Like what I mentioned. And let's see. And he does. Like what I mentioned. That's like a layup for him. And should steal by enforcer Coach Hattie. Missing that chance. And the Muscat now tap. And that's game.
Timeout! Timeout!
Oh, we have a timeout called by Coach C. Timeout.
Timeout! Timeout!
Squad.
Timeout!
Hindi ba naman sa mga squad in there happen? Let's see.
Body check! Body check! Body check! Body check! Okay pa!
So bola dito ng Las Piñas Beyond.
Biyak! Biyak! Biyak!
Errol
Biyak! Biyak!
fires a 3, no good.
Labas! 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 Tira! Tira mo! Nice po! Time out! Time out!
Ibig sabihin, he already achieved his goal and back to the ball game. The enforcer loses it. Errol getting the ball. Good pass to Matayos. Matayos! That was a beautiful shot to Leona.
Bok! Bok! Bok!
Wide open.
Blow! Blow! Blow!
So ball possession stays with Long Bomb Squad. Let's take a look at that. Bulldozing his way in. Bucket plus touchdown. Too small. To the shaded area. benches.
Oh, pero
So, challenge.
Oh!
7-23 is the score. Long bomb. Good defense by Bok, denying Mr. Long Bomb. Hand time against Macayos. Hand time. Okay pa. Diba, kumuha na ng classic samurai kagad. And now we have an update for us, okay? Yun na po. Bagong rules na po. Pwede po tayo mag-update ng rules habang tumatakbo yung laro. Ganun tayo dito. Then joke lang. Of course, this is for the fans. This has an the enforcer, Opa, no go.
Pasa!
Grabbing that rebound, Matayos. Pass it, Aaron.
Tira mo!
Wide open, no good again.
Human